Everybody, today we're going to continue our 3Racing crawler kit, and as you can see, we're going to be working on the wheels today. The wheels are super simple. All we're going to do is screw on this bead lock ring in the front and in the back, and then they're ready to go. No glue necessary. So the first part is to make sure the tire itself is seated in the wheel correctly. You can see there's a groove there around the rim of around the inside of the wheel there, and all we need to do is make sure it's even all the way around. And this part's actually really satisfying. You need to line up all the holes so that you're going to be able to go straight down, and the way the ring perfectly nests into the tire is actually really satisfying. I'm just a little bit off. Let me turn this. Okay, go ahead and start putting in the screws. Nothing difficult about this. All you have to do is put the screw in 12 times for each tire. I am going to go across and wait for the final tightening. The last quarter turn by hand. So the wheels look really good when you're done. We're also going to find bead lock wheels on a $165 car kit. So let's get them onto the truck. Right after the nut goes on, there is even a cap to complete the look. So originally I was going to do the body post in this episode also, but I haven't really figured out what I'm going to do with the body. This kit was inspired by this Tamiya Subaru Brat body. This came with a Lexan body in the same kit, and I always wanted to build a crawler out of this, and that's why I bought this 3Racing crawler kit. It had a shorter wheelbase to begin with, and in the box it does say that it can be shortened down to 255, which is going to be a lot closer to this body. But it turns out it's very involved, and the parts aren't actually included. I would have to buy shorter links, and I would have to do some other modification, which I don't know if I really want to do. So I have to decide if I want to chop this body, leave it the way it is, or just find another body altogether. But nonetheless, I'm going to save the body post for the next video to buy myself a little bit of time to figure out what I'm going to do. So thanks for watching this video. Drop a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.